Okay guys, connect your headsets. Let's hit the road.
Yeah, sounds good.
System starting. Mesh intercom on.
Sena's 30K, using Bluetooth and mesh intercom technology, has made connecting groups easier and faster than ever. In the press of a single button, every available headset nearby can be paired, getting you and your group out on the road faster than ever.
Guys, let's ride for a bit, then stop for lunch at the grill.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sena's mesh intercom is self-healing and allows riders to easily join and leave the group without breaking the connection.
All right, I'll race you there.
There goes Tommy.
Nice shortcut, dude.
I bet you didn't go the speed limit.
Always do.
Hey, I've got this Bluetooth device. Can I still tag along?
No problem. I can Bluetooth pair with you, mess with the other guys, and then we'll all be connected.
Intercom pairing.
Technology should never leave anyone behind. Easily connect with both Bluetooth and mesh intercom, allowing you to communicate with all Sena users. This is the Sena 30K.
We believe that technology should be seamless, and it should give you more from the experiences you love. Our technology fundamentally enhances human capability.
Call from Sarah. Turn left in 20 miles.
It's just the new evolution of the story.
Yeah.
I think this is hot. That feels like tomorrow. It really, really does. It feels like tomorrow.
You've taken all the electronics out of the high-tech cars and just put it right here. Honestly, it's going to change everything.
When you put on a Scully helmet, you get essentially an ecosystem.
As soon as you turn something into a platform, then suddenly you get a level of innovation that you had never thought about before.
Being a professional motorcycle racer takes a lot of fun away from riding on the street. But this could make it fun again.
It will make your riding safer.
With its high-speed microprocessor and operating system, it's the smartest motorcycle helmet ever imagined. Scully is the future. Join the revolution.
Hey there, this is Alan with Satachi, here today to talk to you about our Bluetooth multimedia button. The multimedia button lets you control your music that's playing through your smartphone, lets you play and pause, adjust the volume, as well as skip tracks, all wirelessly. It's really great to have in your pocket or just on you while you're exercising or in the car. It's really easy to use, only about the size of a quarter. So in this video I'm going to show you how to pair it to your phone, as well as go over the contents of the box, what it comes with. So first things first, let's get this paired to the phone. So I'm going to go to my iPhone here, go into my Bluetooth settings, and turn Bluetooth on. Next I'm going to flip over the multimedia button, and there's a small button indentation right above the battery casing, so you're going to need a pen or a paper clip, something small that you can use to just press and hold that button for about 5 seconds. And that will put it into pairing mode. You'll be able to tell because there will be a blue light blinking right on the top of the device. So under my Bluetooth list on my phone here, I can see Pop Multimedia. That's the media button, so I'll touch that, get it paired up. So that's all there is to it. Now it's ready to use. So if I go into my music here, we can try it out. So let's press play. Music starts to play. I can also pause, adjust the volume up or down, as well as skip tracks. So thanks to its low profile, it's really easy to just have in your pocket while you're running. You can also place it on your bicycle handlebars or steering wheel using this universal mount. Really easy to use, just slides right on there, and then you can place it on your steering wheel or bike handlebars. Really great while you're running. It also comes with a keychain attachment that you can loop through this hole at the top of the unit here. Keep it in your keychain, keep it on in your pocket. Just control your music wirelessly whenever you're listening to it on your smartphone. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to pair the multimedia button to your smartphone. If you have any questions about the button or about any of our other products, please shoot us an email or visit our website at www.saatchi.net. The links for all of those are in the description, and thanks for watching.